Understanding burning bridges, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, burning bridges. This idiom is widely used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. Burning bridges is a metaphorical expression. It refers to the act of destroying one's path or connections, especially in relationships or career opportunities, in such a way that there's no easy way to go back. Imagine literally burning a bridge behind you. Once it's burned, you can't easily cross back over it. This phrase is often used to describe a situation where someone has acted in a way that irreversibly damages a relationship or opportunity. The origin of burning bridges is quite literal. In ancient times, armies would burn bridges after crossing them to prevent enemies from following. This strategy was a bold move, signifying a point of no return. Over time, the phrase took on a more figurative meaning, applying to personal and professional relationships where one's actions make it impossible to return to a previous state or position. To better understand the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a professional context, he burned his bridges at the old company by leaving on bad terms, so he can't expect a reference from them. 2. In personal relationships, after saying those harsh words to her friend, she realized she had burned her bridges and couldn't repair the friendship. It's generally wise to avoid burning bridges. Maintaining good relationships and leaving options open is beneficial for long-term success and well-being. Burning bridges can lead to lost opportunities, isolation, and regret. It's often better to part ways in a respectful manner, keeping future possibilities open. We hope this explanation of burning bridges has been enlightening. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to the English language, making it vibrant and dynamic. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting insights into English language learning. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.